What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, Pops asked me to help him out with a little project he's been working on. This right here is the Danger Ranger. This is the OG Danger Ranger. As you guys know, or as most of you guys probably know, this truck belonged to Vtuned, our brother Ben, and it's had a lot of issues throughout his life. I mean, this thing has been through a lot more than your ex-girlfriend probably. But today, Dad has asked me to help him out and get this thing fixed and get it back on the road. It's been overheating. It almost killed Nate one time, something to do with the back brakes. So we need to check out what's going on with the back brakes and then put a radiator on it, I think. I'm pretty sure it's the radiator. So I think Pop's already pulled the radiator off though. So we'll help him out and we'll get this thing done.
It is unlimited.
Yeah, it should go in. Very nice.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Be careful.
This is it.
Oh, it's this, boss. Move this straight. Straight. Yeah, very nice. That's it. That's it. We're good. Now I need to put hose.
Put back.
I put the back hose. I put bottom hose back.
Ще того. Цього надіти. Нижній. Нижній, бач?
Oil line?
Yes.
We're on, just need to tighten. You buy antifreeze, sir?
I got it. No leaking?
Nope.
Okay.
Nice. Brand new radiator.
Yeah.
Ooh. Why, it's running hot before?
Yes. I think this is.
You think it's radiator clogged?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I
hope. I hope it's not head gasket. Okay, we ready for antifreeze or what?
Yeah.
Where is antifreeze?
Well,
50-50, ready to go, green power. Ну, то ліквід, це ж спеціально зроблено, щоб воздух витягувати. It's taking the air out, sir. You see, bloop, bloop, bloop. No air. Sir, start the truck, put heat on. Yeah, start it and turn the heat on. Oh, she's chugging. Отверстие. Give me more. You have more?
Yes. Put more. Put more.
Okay, turn it off then. Wyciszajcie. Nice. Yeah, it's starting to get warm, so.
Huh?
You just need it. No, it's still burping. It's still burping, sir. Yeah. Oh yeah. You don't want no air in there.
Breniu? Trzeba taja, trzeba zerknąć, trzeba. Się sam tormozazali, to on, no i to tam trubkę nie ma, czy co?
Да, там щось vice grip чи що? Dangerous.
Was grip?
Vice grip on the brake line, yeah.
І вона на це є.
The Vtuned special. You see no more bubbles, no more air.
Yeah, right.
No more bubbles,
Right,
no more
sir.
air. You close it, you see like this?
Oh,
It's professional.
oh,
But then you gotta be careful. Taking it off.
oh.
Give me this.
Oh.
Nice, huh?
Yes, nice, very, very nice.
It's like professional shop.
Yes.
Guys, if you're wondering what this funnel is for, this basically raises the liquid above the equilibrium of the radiator and forces the liquid to go down, making all the air come up. So basically getting all the air bubbles out of the radiator system. Because if you have an air bubble in your radiator system, it may work itself out, but it may not work itself out. So it's always best to use one of these. Okay, time to test it, sir.
Okay.
Make sure no overheating. We've let the Ranger run for about 10-15 minutes and the temperature is looking very good. It's not doing what it did before. So now we are going to lift it up and take care of the brake issue. Oh man, she's a rust bucket.
It's bucket, so no. Don't have brake.
Don't have rear brakes?
Одна лінія є, другої нема. Куди ж вона йде?
What do you mean? Oh.
А, це сам хтось запустив.
Oh, that was Ben.
Huh?
Need a new line,
Не
sir.
знаю, чи його відкрутиш там.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think you're gonna need a new brake hub cylinder. New brake cylinder, sir. Maybe you need new brake cylinder. You wanna try to remove?
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah, just a minute, I take off.
Давайте попробуємо відкрутити. Чи ні?
Зняти його.
Чи ви хочете просто replace? You wanna go ahead and replace it? Yeah,
Попробуйте відкрутити, якщо ні, то
pretty bad.
не знаю, чи його.
The brake shoes are still okay though.
Окей?
Yeah, these are good. Look how much meat left. A lot of meat left. I say we try to unscrew that nut right there. Put some PV blaster, and Yeah, of course. I have special tool. Here you go, sir. And here I hold on. Here, this first. This first. Easy. Easy money, huh? Very nice. Okay, try it, sir.
Or Ben?
Nah, it was Ben. Ben told me he'd do it.
Go and say already, hey, bye. Line?
Yep. Okay, so then it needs to go here and then on it. Needs to start going up right here.
More.
Fingers. That's it. Yeah. Look at that. We got the brake line installed, and look at that. It snakes through there real nice. Now, these are pre-made brake lines, so we had to kind of go in loopy ways, but it makes the brake line last a little longer because then it has more play in it and it doesn't break. Like you can see from the factory, they loop it as well. And that's just the way it's done. And so now we need to bleed the brakes, right, sir?
Yes.
All right. Careful, don't break it. It's going? What, stripping? Oh, yeah, it's stripping. Okay, unlock it. Давай, Дед, просто відтягнемо ту лінію.
Як?
Ну, відтягнути лінію і качнути пару разів, затягнути. Чи ви хочете поміняти циліндр?
Можна попробувати так.
Ну, вона вже з'юзала тут. Turns out the cylinder is no good, and I'm not surprised, honestly. Look at the amount of rust that is in here. This truck, I'm on the fence about this truck, but you guys know Pops. Pops is gonna fix it. So he's getting a new cylinder. In the meantime, I'm gonna pull this one off and we'll swap it out. Whew, junk, huh? All right, bud, it's only a matter of time before the other side goes. Na 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 na. Check it out, guys. I got it all assembled. And right before Pops left, he said, you're not going to get that back together because of all these intricate parts. And I said to him, yeah, you're probably right. But I guess he wasn't right, was he? All right, let's throw this on. Bam. Now, when he gets back, we will pump the brakes and see if that fixed the problem, which I hope it did. Brake. Oh. Well, stop the neutral. Держи brake. Max load 44. 44. You load it full of blocks, it's going to be 50. New cylinder, new brake line. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at those beautiful curves.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Stop it. Oh. There we go. Okay. Now that we have the brakes fixed, it's time for a little bit of maintenance. We are going to change the oil.
Right.
What you got? You got that high mileage stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, this is smart. How you know?
No.
He knows. All right, we're gonna lift this thing up, drain the oil. Enough?
Yeah. I needed this. 16. Yeah.
Which one?
18.
I told you. Look at this.
Phew. Black.
Very black. She's peeing. Filter right here.
Where's the filter?
Filter here. What? Wrong one.
6 times and orally I go.
Hey, what are you gonna do? Return this one? Yeah, he got the oil a little bit on this. Maybe take that one with you? No? He gave you the wrong one. Who, Juan?
Yeah. Wow.
It's okay. Formula One.
Yes, because you see this bigger?
Yeah, it's a bigger hole.
Because this is 4 point.
This is V6.
He gave me 3 point. And this is 4. Much? Yeah.
Goes on easy, huh?
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be. It should not be hard. Nice. That's it, yeah?
Yeah.
No more? Maybe use impact? Okay, let's bring it down. Boss, tell him the idea. What is the idea? Flatbed? You want a flatbed?
Yeah. I like flatbed. Yeah, I don't like it like this.
This bed is no good. There's no reason.
I mean, I sell it this bed. Fix it?
Yeah, you can fix this fiberglass cracks
Yeah.
and sell it.
Sell it.
Tim will sell it. Yeah, these beds, I don't understand. Look, there's no room in this bed.
Yeah.
They take it away. They took a whole foot. 1 foot gone. Step side. I don't like it. Who broke it up, Ben?
Yeah.
Oh, Ben Diesel. Look, you can't even hardly take the oil cap off. It's been not changed in so long. Come on. There we go. We are using a high mileage 10W30. I don't know exactly what that means, but we know that this thing has high miles and that says high mileage, so it's going in. Know what I'm saying? Look. You're supposed to pour it like this so it doesn't gluck, but you know, I didn't remove all the, you know. Look at that beautiful gold going in though. Boss, how much oil does this thing take? 5 gallons?
Yeah. Sure. Why? Why you ask?
I'm just wondering. 5 quarts?
Hey, write this.
Huh? Oh, that's the transmission.
Man, mistake.
No, it's in there.
Yeah. Good. To ime zrazu. Huh?
Boss, you need to go to O'Reilly's.
I cannot. 7, 8 times. 8 times. No more.
Boss, free truck.
No more.
More.
Yeah, little more.
Little bit more. It's
Everything. Wait, no? No.
No, not everything. I'm gonna add a little bit more and that's it. That's it. That's it. It doesn't need no more. Now we need to warm it up and check the transmission fluid. Yes, we need to warm it up. Nice. Fresh oil, new brake cylinder, new radiator, new antifreeze. Yeah, we need to crank it up, warm it up. Maybe you need to take it around the block.
New driver guy.
Hey, there you go, new driver. New owner.
Yeah.
New owner. This owner cares about it. This owner is professional.
Веня загнав.
Веня загробил.
Зеркало відкрив. Mirror.
Dang, Vtuned, you owe Pops a mirror. What is this? This is sport?
Yeah. Надо ще say.
Yeah, I got it.
No.
Yeah, I got it. I got a couple pieces like that. Cover the holes. I got everything. I got every tool you need, sir. А чё бонкає?
Ну, стоїть.
Тут двері закриті. Ooh, not too much. Yeah, now it's gonna pop. No, you need to tighten it, sir. Tighten. Oh yeah, now it's gonna pop up.
Open.
Okay, I open.
What?
Maybe spray PB blaster here.
Yeah.
Spray blaster here. I get the blaster. Треба vice grip. Крутит. Is it going?
Yeah. Ну, скільки?
Huh?
Хватить.
Nah, I don't think that's enough.
Надо ту сторону.
Okay, that's good. That's good right there. That side is okay, I think, Dad.
Куди покласти цього пороху?
Просто на фрейм можна поставити.
Дякую. Надо все сьогодні.
Huh?
Та й не крутиться, бо поворачуйся.
I'm telling you, that one doesn't need it, sir.
Давай.
It's good now. Close. Yeah, let's test it.
Це твоя ласточка, так?
Я бачив, вже
О!
показував, підіслав. Тут вже практика показує, що якщо ця пішла, вже скоро друга буде.
That's right. Get a new one, sir. Look at this. You gonna go get a new pair?
Yeah, again. 10 times.
Nah, it's 7 times. Затягуйте.
Там хтось ще прийшов?
Китайці. Yes, sir. All the way down. All the way. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. There you have it, guys. We got the terminals on. It runs. Bye. Hey, be careful, sir. He's zooming. Is it working?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, that thing just needs a detail now. You need gas? Go get some gas. No tags. Pops came back from the maiden voyage, and I have to say the truck did not hold up as well as I thought it would. I guess he does need that flatbed. Stay tuned, guys. We are going to put a flatbed onto the Danger Ranger. Oh, and also in other news, check this out, guys. The bumper for the M3 has arrived. So I'm gonna drag this thing inside and start sanding it, and hopefully we can get that thing painted this week. Oh man, damn it. That. Got a dent right there.
I mean, it's not as bad as the other one, right?
I don't think so.
This one, yeah. That's a whole complete number.
Yeah, it's everything. Sensors.
How much was it?
I don't know. I didn't ask.
Lessons.
Check it out, guys. Dad's dream is becoming a reality. It's looking good, sir.
Yeah, I like it.
I love it, man. We've got the flatbed mocked up, and this right here is actually a porch from a trailer park. So you know that thing can handle a couple of tons. What do you think, sir? It's strong, yeah?
Sure. Big strong.
Oh, big strong. Very strong. It's gonna be perfect for this truck. So basically what we wanna do is raise it up 6 inches above the tires, and then that's going to be our headache rack. This is going to get cut down to where it's level with the window, and then we'll cut this at an angle and weld everything up real nice and make it nice and solid. And look at this thing, it's gonna be beautiful. Man, this truck's gonna be, it's gonna be nice, man. I like it.
I like it.
Yep, me too. Me too. I love it. What do you think, Paul?
I think the bed, the truck is not worthy of the bed.
You think so?
It'll do the job for what we need.
I like it. And it's, you know what the cool thing about this bed is? It's not adding that much extra weight. It's probably adding less weight than that
Oh,
bed.
100%, man. You definitely weigh lighter than that.
I believe we are shaving at least 100 pounds, at
That
least.
might be a problem. We're not gonna have traction, Yuri.
Boss.
What about change color? It's too much. You gotta see it coming. Yellow.
I'm not a huge fan of the yellow either.
But then we can call it Big Bird. Maybe somebody
Nah, this is Little Bird.
It's better.
maybe somebody wants this bed right here. We did not lift it by the broken part.
This side is good.
Yeah, this side's good. Just park it to where you can only see the left side. Look at that. Brand new bed. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and stay tuned for the next video. We are going to get the flatbed done and get the F80 painted, as well as get the Accord done and the Civic. And what else we gonna get done, boss?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He said bye-bye. Peace out.